This is the Black Swift Nest Site Voyager. It is a quadcopter concept design to investigate the nest sites of black swifts, which are known only to nest in sea cave or behind waterfall type environments. So we're going to see if we can build a quadcopter that can explore those types of regions. So we have used yardsticks for the beams. We have Emax 28, 22, 1200 kV motors, 12-inch 4x5-inch props. We have the radio inside the 3x3x2 box, and we have a K2 controller board. We have our camera mounted down below, and we're running 2S batteries. We can't run 3S batteries with 12-inch props. We can only run 2S. If we go to 3S batteries, we need 10-inch props. And we'll take off and see how it does. I've been having problems with the 12-inch props. 12-inch props need to be very light. They can't be heavy 3.8. So I went from 12-inch props to 11-inch props. Went from 1245s to 1147s. So here we go.